it's Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews, and today I'm unboxing BBQ Box. This is the January box. If you're not familiar with this subscription, I've unboxed it quite a few times here on my channel. It's a monthly barbecue box curated by Pitmaster Myron Mixon. Each box comes with a rub, a sauce, an edible, a recipe, and some other item. Usually, well, typically there is. I do know what this one's theme is because when I popped it open, I saw it. It looks really good. I do love the variety that you get. Usually, also, there's an edible. Did I say that? But that edible is usually in the form of beef jerky, which is awesome. The boxes are only $24.99. That's a great, great, great deal if you ask me, because you do get a lot. I love the box too. Isn't it cool? The barbecue box. So neat. All right. My husband loves those too. This one, for some reason, was just packed really tight. So this is the January 2018 box. I'm going to show you right like that. And it's the chili box, right? So how cool is that? We actually, like, my friend always has these, like, food cook-offs, and we did a chili cook-off. My husband didn't win. He was really sad. It was too spicy. He likes everything too spicy. People don't like spicy. So anyway, your choice. Category is your choice. You can use that means you can use whatever meat you'd like, and then pot of red chili. So each box comes with a recipe from Myron Mixon, and then they pick a meat for the month. So this is your choice because it is chili. You can do chicken chili, you can do beef chili, whatever you want. You can do pork chili, whatever you like. The choice is yours. And then they show you how to incorporate the products from the box into the food that you're making. Now, obviously, your edible is not going to go in there. This month, it's Duke's Chipotle Barbecue Beef Brisket Strips. I love brisket. We actually went and got barbecue yesterday. We used to eat at Dickie's a lot. I don't know if you have Dickie's where you live. If you do, you're so lucky. They actually catered our wedding, so but they are gone. There used to be one a little bit of a drive, but we would make it to eat it. They're gone now, so I was like, I'm so hungry for barbecue. So we drove a really far away, and we paid a lot of money, but the barbecue was amazing. So it was totally worth it. The guy was from Alabama, living in Pennsylvania, making some delicious stuff. And we had some collars, and it was just really good. Anyway, so this is the Chipotle Barbecue Beef Brisket Strips. These are 100% grass-fed beef, freshly crafted smoked meats. I will try these after this video. There's no hormones either in these because I'm going to share this with my husband. And I didn't take my pictures yet, so I'm excited for that. All right, then we have, look at this. So this is smoked Gouda cheese, and they do have like a little Best By date, pasteurized processed cheese food. So there's Gouda. How cool is that? I hope it's Gouda. It's a dad joke just for you guys. All right, next we have Suckle Busters. I have received this before. Somewhere I've had this. I'm thinking that maybe this came in a Texas box at some point because they are a Texas brand. So this is Bustin' with Flavor Authentic Texas Chili Seasoning. And I'm just going to try it right now because it doesn't matter if it's sealed when I take my pictures, right? Maybe I won't because I can't open it up. Oh my gosh. Here come all the thumbs downs. Oh, nope, I'm not going to be able to. Sorry, guys. But anyway, this is an award-winning recipe. Let's see what they include in here. Chili pepper, black pepper, cayenne pepper, cumin, garlic, spices, salt, and silica. All natural, no MSG, and no bad stuff. So I'm excited to try this because we do like chili. We love chili. And then it's accompanying sauce. Do you see my pile of stuff over here? Isn't that awful? I just don't even know where to go with all of it. All right. Suckle Busters, Bustin' with Flavor Texas Chipotle Pepper Sauce. So this is a 5-ounce jar, and it has peppers, water, vinegar, salt, sugar, onion, garlic, chipotle, mustard, spices, and xanthan gum. Not gun. There's no guns in here. So there's that. I'm really excited to try this. I think it might be really delicious. So if you're interested in the full review, check that out below. Also, check out the barbecue box. I'll link to them as well. And as always, happy Sunday. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.